Hi, I'm Peter Dirun, your emotion management coach. I'm doing a series on stress, and in this video, I would like to draw your attention to the negative and positive effects of stress. Many of us believe that stress is negative. We are very confident that stress has a lot of bad effects on our lives. So let me read to you some of the confirmed negative effects of stress. First, it decreases your immunity. You can get sick easier if you are in a state of stress. You can get depressed and anxious. Many people, when they are stressed, they slowly slip into depression. They become very anxious. Anxiety becomes a problem in their lives. Then some become lethargic and experience weight gain. When you're stressed or overstressed, you become tired. You do not want to exercise. You become lazy actually. And if you continue to eat, then you put on weight as well. And then of course, if this condition continues, the possibility of heart disease increases, and finally, because your body now no longer is healthy and is constantly in a state of stress, there is a possibility of death. You could die because of untreated stress. And so many of us have no qualms with this. We actually believe stress is bad. We are sure of the negative effects of stress. But do you know that stress has a lot of positive effects? Who would have guessed that stress can be helpful, stress can be good? But there are positive effects of stress. For example, number one, your immunity increases. For many people, stress is helpful because it actually increases their immunity. They become stronger. They're able to deal with diseases that may normally affect them, but now they become healthier. Then for others, they have better mental toughness. They become resilient. Their thinking is stronger and clearer. And of course, with that comes increased clarity. Stress has helped many people have a clearer view of themselves, of their situation, of their life. And then there's also better appreciation of the circumstance that they are in. And lastly, which I like, is stress many a times increases confidence. Now, I'm sure as you hear me say all this, some of you may be saying, nah, you sure? Really, stress can be helpful, can be good. There is positive effects on stress. Yes. So the question I want to ask is there something that determines whether stress becomes helpful or disruptive? Is there something that helps predict or determine if stress creates negative effects in your life or positive effects? Because for example, if you remember what I said just now, for some people, when they are in a state of stress, their immunity decreases. For others, when they are in a state of stress, their immunity increases. So it's like, come on, how come some people, when they have stress, their immunity goes down, and some people, when they have stress, their immunity goes up? Something's happening here. What's it? What is it? And I like to suggest to you, the answer is the mindset. The mindset of the person experiencing the stress. The mindset. And what do I mean by mindset? You may ask me, what do you mean by mindset? Now, mindset is the set belief you have in your mind about stress. Let me repeat that. The set belief in your mind that you have about stress. In other words, if you think stress is bad, the possibility of you experiencing negative effects increases. If you believe that stress is good and helpful, the possibility of positive effects from stress being experienced by you increases as well. It's so strange, but actually, what you believe, your set belief, your accepted belief, your go-to belief about stress determines whether stress would be a bad thing to you or a good thing to you. So, if you have this mindset, stress is bad, stress is dangerous, stress is debilitating. Wow, such a big English word, debilitating. Then all the negative effects that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you have a possibility of experiencing them. But if you have this mindset, you have this belief that stress is enhancing, stress is beneficial, stress is good for me, then the positive benefits of stress, most probably you will experience them. Strange, huh? And it causes me, and I'm sure it causes you, to ask the question, why? Why does my mindset determine whether I experience the bad effects of stress or the good effects of stress? And the answer is actually interesting and obvious. You see, when you have a particular mindset, it also determines how you respond. It also determines how you think. It also determines what you do. So if you think stress is bad, how you respond to stress, what you think about stress, what you do about stress will be very different than what you think about stress, do about stress, respond to stress if you think stress is good. And so I'd like to end this video by reading out to you again some extra benefits if you have the right mindset towards stress. First, you will experience better health. You will also have greater life satisfaction. Your work performance will get better. You will be able to discover and use better productive strategies to respond to the challenges, the difficulties that you are facing that is generating this state of stress. And lastly, your cortisol level, the hormones in your body, will be better regulated. So, do you want stress to benefit you? Do you want to enjoy the many benefits of the many positive benefits? Of course, all benefits are positive. Do you want to enjoy the positive effects of stress? Then have a look at your mindset. What is your set belief about stress? Is it time to change? Is it time to begin to have a positive mindset towards stress? Hi, Peter here. Thanks for watching my video. Now remember, please press the subscribe button because I want you to enjoy all the other videos that I'm preparing for you. Also, press the like button. At least I know you like the video. And very important is if you could turn on the notification. Now, if you do that, every time I upload a new video, you will know about it and you can enjoy another good video from me. Also, I would love if you write a comment. I like to interact with you. I like to know what you think. So say something in the comment section. Lastly, if you like to chat with me, I always give a free Zoom session for anyone who would like to chat with me to get some information or to help them out initially. So looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for pressing that subscribe button.